19. Threats of biodiversity, endangered and endemic species of India. Threats of biodiversity, human action have caused extinction of the elimination of the species over a long time, not just recent decades. The earliest humans probably caused the extinction through hunting. With the invention of fire, human began. Changes in the habitat of the large areas, development of agricultural land, rises in the civilization, rapid deforestation habitat, and also the introduction of the exotic species become an important causes of the extinction of the biodiversity. In the 20th century, with the introduction of the industrialized chemicals and emission of pesticides, the environmental pollution become increasing of the extinction of the biodiversity. The habitat loss and degradation major proximate causes for the species extinction, nearly affecting the 89% of all over the threatened birds, in 80% of the mammals, and 91% of the all threatened. The plants, as the globally the main causes of the habitat loss agricultural activity increasing, the harvesting, extraction, and also development of the human settlement of the industry associated with the infrastructures. In the human activities, the expanding settlement have been causing the destruction of the natural ecosystem to meet the requirement of the food, space, and shelter. The greatest destruction of the biological community has occurred during the 150 years during which human population went from just 1 billion, nearly 1850, to 6.2 billion to 2002, and it will reach estimated 7.8 billion in the 2025. Many countries, particularly islands and where the human population density is on high, most of the original habitats has already been destroyed. Habitat fragmentation is the process large continuous areas habitat both reduced in the area and divided into two or more fragments. Habitat fragmentation may be placed due to development of the roads, towers construction, and the canal construction field of the industries. Their original large habitat, the fragment divide the population into the isolated. In the groups that only the potential species dispersal, colonization reduce the foraging of the ability of the animals, isolated and small scattered population, and vulnerable of the species, the some of the inbreeding of the depression, and also high infant mortality rate, sustainable for environmental hardship. These are main causes for the possible for the extension of the biodiversity. In genetic assimilation, some of the rare, endangered species threatened by genetic assimilation because they are some of the crossbreed with closely related to the species for that more numerous and vigorous opportunistic plants of our animals that introduce habitat by human action by genetically. Overall, the local population, for example, hatchery raised by introduce the lakes and streams are many genetically dilute the indigenous stocks. Pollution. Environmental pollution is the most susceptible form of the habitat degradation. Most of the causes by which pesticide, industrial effluents, emission from the automobiles, toxic pollutants can some effect of the local population organism, pesticide linked declines of the fishes, eating of the birds, plankton, documented in the 1970s. These are mysteries. Widespread of the death of the thousands of the seals from the Atlantic regions here, accumulation of the chemical DDT, PCB, and dioxin, leading the poisoning is the another major causes for the mortality of many of the species in the wildlife. Next, another one is causing for biodiversity by poaching. Poaching another insidious, some of the emerged recent decade, one of the primary reason decline in number of species. Poaching pressures were in the evenly distributed since certain selected species are more heavily targeted than other. Despite legal protection, many countries produce from endangered species are widely traded within the wildlife sold, and some of the specimen flock medicines, furs, hide skins, leathers. These are all products for ivory. The antlers are amounting the millions of the dollars in each year. The developing countries, Asia and America, Latin America, these are the richest biodiversity in the world, main source for the wild animals and the animal products, while Europe, North America, and some of the wealthy Asian countries are the principal importers. Introduction of exotic species. In the introduction of the exotic species, organisms introduced into the habitat, they are not native or termed as the exotic. They can be brought the biological pollutants. In some of the biological pollutant alteration of degradation in the world, inducing the species, some of the have been before is a very risky business freed from the parasite pathogens and the predators. The competitors normally they are check exhaustic and exhibit explosive population growth. The crowd out native species, the aggressive innovation might to be considered kind the ecological cancer introduction of the exotic species. It's the mainly causes for the have caused especially in the severe problems in the most of the in the islands. The important terms of biodiversity, endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, and threatened species. Endangered species means the species are considered imminent danger, extinction, and whose survival unlikely if factors causing their decline continue to the operate. These species whose number of have been reduced in the critical level, those habitat have been drastically reduced that they are in the immediate danger in the extinction. Vulnerable species are under the threat. They may have to classified and endangered in the near future if causal factors continue to operate. These include species whose population have been seriously depleted and ultimate security is not assured, and the still abundant under the threat throughout their range. Rare species in the small total population in size in the world. In their distribution, they usually localized within the restricted habitat or geographical areas. These are the scattered on extensive range necessary. The necessarily the danger become extinct. Threatened species. The term threatened used the extent context conservation of the species which are any one of the above three categories. These are species that decline significantly total number of and may extinct in certain localities. At the present, 1,670 species of animals are listed. These categories in the worldwide information about plants because numerous plant species grow only poorly explored. Nearly 34,200 species of plants in the IUCN red database. In 15,700 are listed threatened. As per the IUCN estimate, there are 20,000 to 25,000 species of vascular plants having some system moving fluids such as sap, and totally number of species are threatened is not in head now because many areas, particularly tropic areas, that the explored for species diversity. Endangered and endemic species of India. India ranks second in terms of the number of threatened mammals, while sixth terms of the countries with the most threatened birds. Number of threatened species of India by taxonomic group are shown in the such biological improvement countries serious sustainable advanced biological diversity productivity gene erosion and erodes from prospects of deriving the full economic and ecological benefits from the recent and molecular biology and genetic engineering. According to the red list threatened animals, 18 animal species are critically endangered, 54 endangered, and 143 vulnerable, while 10 species from lower risk conservation depend upon the 99 or lower risk in year in the threatened amongst the plants 44, critically endangered 113, endangered and 87 vulnerable animal species have been identified. Threatened ones lion-tailed macaque, golden monkey, Himalayan brown bear, tiger, Indian lion, great Indian horned rhinoceros, Indian antelope, black buck, Kashmir stag, and swamp deer, balena whale, mute swan, great Indian bustard, Indian pied hornbill, and gale. These are the endemism of the Indian biodiversity is quite about 33% of country flora and endemic to the country, and are the most of the concentrated mainly North Indian highlands of nearly 49,200 plant species, 5,150 are endemic, and distributed nearly 141 genera under 47 family corresponding about the 30% of the world record floras, which means 30% of the world record flora and endemic species. India about 15,000 species of flowering plants. Angiosperms are known occur in India, which 4,950. In the species, 3,500 found in the Himalaya and adjoining the regions of 1,600 in the Western Ghats alone. Many deep and semi-isolated valleys. It is an endemic plant species such as Sikkim areas is nearly 7,219 square kilometer and 4,250 species and 2,550 60% of endemic India is particularly rich in floral wealth. In the flowering plants, it is also reptile, amphibians, and also butterflies, mammals, about 60% non-amphibian species, and nearly 50% of lizard countries, and endemic with the majority occurring in the Western Ghats. Endangered species, mammals and amphibians and reptiles and birds.